Hi everybody, Sarah Strauss here with The Place to Mortgage. It's been a little while since I've come on and chatted with everybody and done a live video. So I just wanted to come on and say happy 2019 and kind of give you a little bit of a idea and a vision of what 2019 looks like for you as a client of The Place to Mortgage, and what we're busy at, and give you a bit of a market update and that sort of thing. So we always get the question, oh, are you busy right now? And you truthfully ever wonder if anybody's really honest when you ask that? It seems like everybody's always like, oh yeah, I'm totally busy, and you question how honest they really are. I would say that this time of year is always slow in this industry, but we are, I think, busier than I expected us to be, so that's a bit refreshing. In Alberta here, we're facing some upcoming economic speculation that the economy is not going to be awesome, and we might be headed into another bit of a recession, so that's really not awesome, and I think it's scaring quite a few people, and so that's not great. But over the holidays, we had people writing, we had an offer come in on Christmas Eve, and we are working on purchases. The nice thing about us as brokers is we deal with mortgage renewals, we deal with mortgage refinances, we deal with a lot of other things like that. So it doesn't necessarily, the market doesn't necessarily have to be booming for us to be steady either, but we haven't seen the purchases go flat either, so there is still stuff moving. Definitely more in that entry level price point, but I do have clients that have come and got a pre-approval because they're wanting to sell their home and then move upwards as well. So I don't know what that might mean for us in the economy wise, but I'm really hoping and praying that we can push through and not suffer too much with this upcoming speculated downturn that we're supposed to be getting. So that's kind of where we are there. And I thought a lot about over the holidays about, the Place to Mortgage and, what my passion is and that sort of thing. And for the last portion of 2018, we certainly took a bit of a turn, I guess, with the vision of where we were going as a company. I hired an amazing marketing girl, Jacqueline, that has, been helping me with posts and we've got the girls here and we've kind of, transformed a little bit. And I think moving forward with 2019, our mantra is going to be securing your financial house. So we do mortgages, and that's a huge, obviously, all of our business. And you see our logo back there on the window, if you can see it. And it's the shape of a house and that sort of thing. But throughout mortgages and talking to people about their debts and qualifying for a mortgage, all of that sort of stuff, I've become, really passionate about my client's entire financial house. And with that being said, last year we introduced a great investment tool for clients. We, have partnered up with good options for term life and disability insurance. And this year we've got more stuff coming down the pipe that I'm super excited to let you guys all know about when we can. And I think what we're rounding out to be is your financial house. And with that, I'm excited to let you know that we're going to be starting your weatherproofing your financial house for 2019 workshop series, and those workshops are going to start out in Innisfil. We've got our first one coming up on Monday the 21st, so we're going to have one every month, and it won't be the same time every month because, well, to be completely honest with you, because we have to go around my travel plans. But so the first workshop we're going to be hosting is on the 21st of January, and that is an investment workshop. A lot of you might not know that I am the regional vice president for a company called Lendies, and it's a mortgage investment corporation. So we've got the president and the vice president flying out just to educate people about mortgage investment corporations and Lendy's pays a fixed rate of return of 8% on your investment, and you can transfer over RSPs, all that jazz. I won't go into it too much because that's the point of the workshop. So they're coming out just to kind of let us know about a different alternative tool for investing that's, you know, a very beneficial and wealth creating tool. So the part of the financial house for you is, you know, how can we create more wealth for our clients? Next month's Financial House workshop series is going to be around budgeting. So we're going to be doing a budgeting workshop. We haven't nailed down the date of that for sure yet, but it's probably going to be, well, it will be within the first week of February. And so I hope lots of people can come out for that. And then we've got a lineup of other workshops every month for the rest of the year. So every workshop is going to be based on weatherproofing your financial house. So it's either going to be something that's going to be able to save you money and give you tips on budgeting, or, you know, whatever it might be, or it's going to be how we can create wealth for you as well. So I'm super excited about the vision that the team and I here at the Place to Mortgage have come up with for 2019. You know, when we were rounding out our business plan, we really realized that, you know, we love mortgages because the driving force behind why we love that is we love, you know, saving people money. We had a client actually that came in over the holidays, and they are going to be mortgage free in 5 years. We set up a plan for them, and although I love getting you a mortgage, I love even more when we can get rid of that mortgage. And so they came in over the holidays and we made a plan, and in 5 years, I'm not even joking you, they will be mortgage free. And they're not like 60 or 80. They are, you know, my age, and that is something to be so proud of. And, you know, I am so honored that I'm a small part of their journey, because that is truly, truly what makes me so excited about what I do. And so with that, we had the idea, I guess, of our 2019 Financial House workshop series. I hope you'll join us. The link is in the profile for our first workshop, which is on the 21st, and that is all about creating wealth. And then watch out for the next one coming out beginning of February, just after the time when you get all those nasty credit card bills, and that one will be on how to budget and get that debt paid down. Talk to you guys soon. Call us anytime. We're always here and happy to help.